7 Unbelievable and amazing reasons why you should start eating celery in the evening. Celery offers potent medicinal and healing properties and is commonly used as a traditional folk remedy for treating and preventing different diseases. In Europe, celery appeared in the 18th century, causing all sorts of prejudices. In Egypt, celery was a symbol of sorrow and death, while the Romans and Greeks considered it as a sacred plant. Hippocrates claimed that celery is very beneficial for people with damaged nerves. So, let's find out more about this vegetable and all the health benefits it offers. How to lower blood pressure and improve health naturally with celery. Celery is one of the most nutritious foods. Celery roots and leaves have asparagine, carotene, tyrosine, microelements, tyrosine, and essential oils. Celery is a great source of B vitamins, thiamine, riboflavin, ascorbic acid, vitamin K, E, provitamin A, choline and protein. How to use celery as a medicine. 1. For blood pressure. To reduce high blood pressure and improve the function of your liver, you should eat raw, whole celery. 2. For menopause. You should add 1 cup of boiling water to the 0.5 teaspoon minced celery, but don't boil. Brew for 8 to 10 hours. Prepare this in the evening. It is recommended to drink 1 tablespoon, 4 times a day for 27 days. 3. For rheumatism. In 2 cups of boiling water, pour 1 tablespoon fresh ginger. Brew for 4 hours in a tightly sealed container. You should take tablespoons 3 to 4 times a day, 30 minutes before your meals. This remedy will treat rheumatism and joint pain. 4. For insomnia. In 4 cups of pre-boiled water, add 1/8 cup of celery root. Brew for 8 hours, then drain. You should take 1 teaspoon of this remedy, 3 times a day. 5. For allergies. Take a fresh celery root and squeeze its juice. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons, 3 times a day, 30 minutes before your meals. 6. Regulates alkaline balance. Celery has the ability to prevent the acidic state in your body. So, consume it regularly to maintain the balance of the pH levels in your body. 7. Fights cancer. Celery contains luteolin, a flavonoid which can delay the formation of breast cancer cells. It can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in people with pancreas and colorectal cancer. We should mention that the darker the color of the celery, the stronger the taste. To preserve its natural taste and obtain 99% of its nutrients, you should steam the celery. To preserve the nutrients, you can also chop the celery while fresh and store it in the fridge.
Yeah.